Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the sum of an infinite geometric series. After that, geometric mean between two numbers, and then after we insert n geometric mean between two numbers a and b. Now first of all, sum of an infinite. The sum of an infinite GP with first term A and common ratio R, where R vary from greater than -1 to less than 1, and mod of R less than 1 is given by S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. In this case, A is the first term and R is the common ratio of the GP. Now let us suppose that GP is AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4, dot. Now Sn equal to, as we calculate the sum of n terms of the GP already in the previous videos. Now Sn equal to A 1 minus R की power n divided by 1 minus R. Now here we open the bracket here. This comes A. This can be written as 1 by 1 minus R, 1 by 1 minus R minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. Now this can also be written as A divided by 1 minus R minus A R की power n divided by 1 minus R. Now since R vary from -1 to -1, in this case their R to the power m decreases as R to the power m decreases. Now since R vary from -1 to 1, their R to the power m decreases as n increases, and R की power m tends to 0. R की power m tends to 0, then the n tends to infinity, so that R की power m tends to 0, n infinity. It means that we multiply A by 1 minus R into this tends to 0 as n tends to infinity, so that these terms become 0 and if these terms become 0, it means that sum of infinite term is equal to the limit n tends to infinity but 1 minus r, and a r के power n divided by 1 minus r, this becomes 0, so that s infinity equal to a by 1 minus r. With the help of this formula, we calculate the sum of infinite number of terms of GP. Now we take an example. Here, example, find the sum to infinite of GP. This series is GP in GP. Here, first term A is the first term equal to minus 5 by 4, and R is the common ratio. This is equal to minus 5 by 16, 5 by 16 divided by minus 5 by 4. This is equal to 5 by 16 into 4 by minus 5. This and this remove. Therefore, this is equal to minus 1 by 4. Again, we divide on this to this. That is also comes minus 1 by 4. This is a common ratio. As you know that sum of infinite term S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. Here mod of R is less than, mod of R is less than 1. In this case, now here A equal to minus 5 by 4 divided by 1 minus R equal to minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. It means that here this is equal to minus 5 by 4, and this is equal to here minus plus, and 5 on the 5 by 4 here, 5 by 4. This comes at the top 4 by 5 minus 5 by 4 into 4 by 5. This is equal to minus 1. This is our answer. It means that sum of infinite number of terms in this GP is equal to minus 1. Now insert n means between two numbers here. Now here insertion of geometric mean between given number. It means that if we have given two numbers, then we have to calculate the geometric mean. Let us suppose that A and B are two numbers, and if n numbers G1, G2, G3 Gn are inserted between A and B such that the sequence A, G1, G2, G3 Gn and B is a GP. यदि यह जो है GP फॉर्म करता है उस पोजीशन में then the numbers G1, G2, G3 Gn are known as n geometric means between A and बी। यहाँ पर जो है ए और बी दो संख्या लिया गया है और जिसके बीच जो है G1 G2 Gn n नंबर्स लिए गए हैं। यदि जो है यह एक सीरीज या एक जीपी फॉर्म करता है, उस पोजीशन में G1 G2 G3 Gn को हम लोग n ज्योमेट्रिक मीन कहते हैं। यह n ज्योमेट्रिक मीन है। इफ ए सिंगल ज्योमेट्रिक मीन, यदि जो है ज्योमेट्रिक मीन केवल वन हो, सिंगल मीन्स G is inserted between two given number A and B। इस केस में यदि जो है एक ही ज्योमेट्रिक मीन G एग्जिस्ट करता है, then G is known as geometric mean between A and B। It means that A, G, B are in GP, so that G square is equal to AB. It means that G is equal to under root AB. In this case, this terms is known as geometric mean between two terms A and B. Here, for example, the geometric mean between 4 and 9 is given by here two terms A and B, and we calculate the geometric mean G is equal to under root AB. Similar things, the geometric mean between 4 and 9 is given by under root 4 into 9. That is a 9 4 are 36. This means equal to 6. And the geometric mean between -9 and -4, both number are negative. In this case, this comes plus 36. It means that geometric mean of these two numbers -9 and -4 is 6 also. But if A and B are two numbers of opposite signs, it means that one is positive, other is negative, or first is positive, second is negative, then the geometric mean between them does not exist. Between them does not exist. It means that here one positive and other negative, so that in this case geometric mean does not exist. This is becomes imaginary quantity, and geometric mean does not exist. Now we have calculated the insertion of n geometric mean between given two numbers. Insertion of n geometric mean between given numbers A and B. Here in this case, two numbers A and B, and we have to calculate the n geometric means. Now let us suppose that let us suppose that G1 G2 G1 G2 G3 G4 Gn are n geometric mean between two numbers A and B. Here let us suppose that G1 G2 G3 Gn are n geometric mean between two numbers A and B, then GP geometric progression is A, G1, G2, G3 dot Gn and B, so that GP is A, G1, G2, G3, Gn and B. So total number of turns in this series, total number of turns here 1, 2, 3 dot n and 1 and 1, 2, and its total number of terms equal to n plus 2. And n plus 2th number is B. As you know that Tn equal to A r के power n minus 1. This is a formula for nth terms, so that n plus 2th term equal to B, so that n plus 2th term equal to A r के power n minus 1, n replaced by n plus 2 minus 1, and this is equal to terms B. In this case, r is the common ratio. Here r is common ratio of this series, so that n plus 2th term equal to A r के power n plus 2 minus 1, that is equal to B. This implies that here A comes here, r के power n plus 1, r के power n plus 1 equal to B by A. r के power n plus 1 equal to B by A. It means that r equal to B by A के power 1 by n plus 1. This is a common ratio, r equal to B by A and के power 1 by n plus 1. Now putting the value of r, we get G equal to G1 equal to AR. Here G1 equal to AR. It means that R equal to B by A के power 1 by n plus 1. G2 second geometric mean equal to AR square. It means that this is equal to A. R square means this is a square. B by A के power 1 by n plus 1 to the power 2. It means that this is equal to A. B by A के power 2 by n plus 1. It means that G1 first term, first geometric mean 1 by n plus 1 Second geometric means a b by a के power 2 by n plus 1, g3 equal to a r के power q. This become a and b by a के power 3 by n plus 1. Now similarly n geometric mean gn equal to ar के power n. This is equal to a b by a के power n divided by n plus 1. This is the nth geometric mean of this series n divided by n plus 1. Now we take one example here. One theorem here: if n geometric mean are inserted between two quantities, then the product of n geometric mean is the nth power of the single geometric means between the two quantities. It means that we have two quantity a and b. Let us suppose that, and there exists n geometric mean g1, g2, g3. Then we have to show that product of g1, g2, g3 that is equal to the nth power of the single geometric mean between two quantities. It means that is equal to the g के power n. Now let us suppose that n geometric mean are inserted between two quantities. Let us suppose that n geometric mean let us suppose that n geometric mean g1, g2, g3 gn. Let us suppose that n geometric mean g1, g2, g3 gn between two quantities, a and b. Let us suppose that n geometric mean g1, g2, g3 gn between two quantities a and b, so that a g1, g2, g3 gn b is in gp with common ratio with common ratio R, with common ratio R equal to B by A की पावर 1 by n plus 1. In this case, first term is A, so that A, G1, G2, G3, Gn, B is in Gp with common ratio R equal to B by A की power 1 by n plus 1. Now, in this case, if n geometric mean are inserted between two quantities, then the product of n geometric mean. Now we calculate the product of n geometric mean equal to G1 into G2 into G3 into dot Gn that is equal to, in this case, AR square. It means that AR square AR cube dot AR के power n here. Now this is the product of A that comes here in this case n times A के power n into R के power 1 to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus n, and this is a sum of n natural numbers that is equal to A के power n, and this is equal to R के power n plus 1 by 2 n plus 1 by 2, and now we put the value of R in this case A के power n. R value of R equal to this B by A R B by A 1 by n plus 1 into value of R is this into n plus 1 by 2. Now we solve this. Here A के power n and B by A के power n plus 1 cancel. This is equal to n by 2. Now this can be written as A के power n. This can be written as B के power n by 2 divided by A के power n by 2, and this can be written as n minus n by 2, so that this is equal to A के power n by 2 into B के power n by 2. Now this can also be written as here A B के power n by 2. It means that 1 by 2 means under root AB का power n, under root AB के power n, and under root AB equal to G. I know that if A, G and B are in GP, then G equal to under root AB and this can be written as g के power n, and here n geometric mean is the nth power of single geometric means. This is a nth power of single geometric mean between two quantity root. Now we take some example here. Now here prove that 6 power half 6 into 6 power 1 by 4 into 6 power 1 by 8 dot dot n is equal to 6, and 9 to power 1 by 3, 9 to power 1 by 9, 9 to power 1 by 27 dot dot infinity terms equal to 3. Now first question, from left hand side we take this 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, base is same, so that power comes in the summations, and this is the first term is equal to half, and I is equal to 1 by 4 divided by this is half, so that s infinity is equal to a by 1 minus half, so that 6 के power a half divided by 1 minus half, that is half cancel, that is equal to 6. It means that 6, this is the right hand side proved. Now 9 के power 1 by 9. Now in the single things here 9 के power 1 by 3, so base is same, so that 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, a is equal to 1 by 3, and I equal to 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 3, this is also 1 by 3, so that summation of this s infinity a is equal to 1 minus r, a equal to 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, this is equal to 9 के power half means under root, this can be written as under root 9, this is equal to 3 proof. Now like, subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.